Good morning, friends. Today is the 2nd of October, and we are here with the latest market updates to start your day with fresh insights. Welcome to Stock Coney. Before moving to today's update, please like and subscribe the channel. This motivates us to bring the best market insights for you every morning. Friends, on one side strong numbers are coming from auto and steel sectors, while on the other side insurers and banks are facing pressure from tax and demand notices. At the same time, heavy selling by foreign investors and strong buying by domestic investors is shifting the entire market balance. Let's take a look at today's big updates. Market trend: foreign vs domestic investors. Last 30 days, foreign investors sold rupees 36,907 crore, domestic investors bought rupees 68,260 crore. Quick take: foreign investors have been consistent sellers, but domestic investors are supporting the market strongly. Last 2 weeks, foreign investors sold rupees 25,577 crore, domestic investors bought rupees 35,367 crore. Quick take: even in the short term, domestic investors remain strong buyers. Last 1 week, foreign investors sold rupees 17,447 crore, domestic investors bought rupees 23,470 crore. Quick take: the recent balance also stays in favor of domestic investors. Sector prints and volumes. Bajaj Auto, September wholesales up 9% year-on-year, exports up 18% year-on-year. Quick take: export demand recovery adds positivity to auto sector. Hyundai Motor, September wholesales up 10% YoY, exports up 44% YoY. Quick take: passenger vehicle demand is strong due to festive season tailwinds. APL Apollo Tubes, Q2 sales volume up 13% YoY, 8.5 lakh tons. Quick take: infrastructure cycle support keeps demand pipeline strong. Orders, projects and licenses. KNR Constructions, flyover order worth rupees 73 crore. Quick take: order book in infra execution looks strong. Kirloskar Brothers, 14,000 pump sets order from Indian Oil. Quick take: industrial pump demand is robust with strong order inflows. Sri Lotus Developers, Mumbai projects worth rupees 1,000 crore. Quick take: realty sector showing signs of demand recovery. Time Technoplast, BIS license for gas distribution pipes. Quick take: regulatory clearance supports product expansion. Regulatory and tax overhang. ICICI Bank, GST show cause notice rupees 216 crore. Quick take: regulatory pressure could weigh on stock in near term. ICICI Lombard, demand order rupees 1,902 crore. Quick take: tax pressure emerging on insurance sector players. NIACL, demand order rupees 2,379 crore. Quick take: large tax demand order may increase stock volatility. Pharma and relief. Pfizer, 3-year 100% import tariff relief from US. Quick take: lower import costs to support margin improvement. Broker calls. BSE, Centrum, buy, target rupees 2,475. Quick take: brokerages positive on exchange platform stocks. Pitti Engineering, Devon Choksey, buy, revenue CAGR of 16% expected. Quick take: strong growth trajectory in niche engineering play. Star Cement, Access Direct, buy, revenue CAGR of 16% expected. Quick take: confidence in cement demand and pricing power. Acquisitions and deals. Great Again Travel, to acquire US-based Sojourn for $250 million. Quick take: global scale and reach will expand in travel tech segment. LTTS, $100 million product development deal with US firm. Quick take: cross-border deals strengthen company's growth pipeline. IPO listings. BMW Ventures, listed at rupees 78 vs issue price of 99, 21% discount. Quick take: weak listing, investor sentiment cautious. APAC Prefab, listed at rupees 183 vs issue price of 204, 10% discount. Quick take: muted debut raises questions on valuation and demand. Friends, these were today's biggest market movers and foreign domestic investor flows. What do you think? Will domestic investors' strong buying sustain the market, or will foreign investors' heavy selling create more pressure? Do share your opinion in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to Stock Coney for daily updates. We'll see you again tomorrow with fresh insights. Till then, invest smart, stay informed. Thank you.